Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lacquer Lover, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to paint my BTS Dynamite nail art design. Start by applying base coat. As usual, I'm using my favorite unpeel off base coat. Then paint your index and middle fingernails a light blue and the rest of your nails white. On the index fingernail, I'm going to be recreating the background towards the end of the music video, and that is where the boys are dancing at this field and these colors shoot up behind them. Next, I'm taking white polish to add smoke to the roots of these colors. For the middle fingernail, I'm going to start with the falling gradient and sponge that onto the nail. Next, take white polish to add clouds to our sky, and then I'm going to be drawing a sunset towards the tip of the nail, and this is inspired by a sign in the background of one of Tae's scenes, and I just thought that the sunset was very retro. On top of this little sunset, I'm going to be using white polish to add the simple palm trees on both sides. On the ring and pinky fingernails, I'm going to be doing a joined design, so I'm going to be drawing a rectangle with a muted blue that stretches across both nails. Next, I'm going to be doing the background. Yes, I did this backwards because the background is quite complicated and I didn't want to add so many details just for them to be covered up by the blue rectangle in the center. And this design is inspired by the basketball court. It's just so fun and colorful, and it's also very abstract, which I thought really brought in all the themes of the music video and the song itself. Dynamite is a song that I like more and more as I listen to it, and I do think that it fits the message that they were going for, which is bringing the light back into people's lives, especially during this time of darkness. In the meantime, I'm taking white polish to write disco, so I wrote D-I-S on my ring fingernail, and I'm going to be writing C and O on my pinky nail, and that is just because C and O take up more space than the first three letters, and then everything would be evenly spaced out. I also colored the letters yellow. Next, I'm going in with a golden yellow polish to outline these yellow letters. I'm just trying to make these letters look as close as possible to the letters on the side of the building. I thought long and hard about which designs I should combine, and I came to the conclusion that I should combine the disco sign and the colorful basketball court wall, and I just thought that these together really showed the overall feeling of the video, which was fun and retro. On the thumbnail, I'm going to be doing a twist on the cover art, which is very simple. It's either black or white, and on top there are a lot of colors that spell out Dynamite. The original font has a lot of lines going through it, but because the letters are so small, I left these as they are. The final step is to apply your favorite top coat and you're done. And this is my return to nail art with this colorful BTS Dynamite design. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, as I had a lot of fun painting my nails once again, and I hope I can greet you guys with more nail art soon. Bye everyone!